What's making that sound? I don't understand. Who are you? What are you doing? Who are you? Show yourself. Hello? Who are you? Why are they calling me? Is that not the hand I'm seeing? Who are you? And who are you?
Our daughter. You are our daughter.
Speak up. Don't be scared. Come forward. I should come forward?
Yes.
And I'm your daughter. How do you mean?
Annabelle Okereke.
Jesus. How do you know my name?
I am your mother, the one who baited you.
I don't have a mother. What are you saying? My mother died when I was 5 years old.
And I am your father.
Can you stop this thing you're saying?
We both died in a car crash. And ever since then, we've been looking after you. We never left.
Yes. We've been the one watching over you since you were 5. And we both died on the motor accident. I will prove to you by telling you an incident that happened on the 3rd of April. You got yourself injured, right?
Yes.
And it wasn't up to 24 hours and the injury left your body.
Jesus.
No scar.
Jesus, yes.
You remember, right?
Yes.
I and your father made it happen.
We were there.
So every single thing we have to say to you today, you have to listen to us and abide by every single thing we say.
You mean both of you are my parents?
Yes. We are your biological parents. Now listen carefully. We don't have time. We came from the spiritual realm. You see that man over there? I suppose he's your boyfriend.
Yes, that's a man that wants to marry me.
We've been watching you for a very long time now. That man is not who you think he is.
What are you saying? Can you stop? What are you saying?
My daughter Annabelle,
I love him.
listen to the voice of reasoning. I am your mother and I will not lie to you. Listen to your father. That man over there is a ritualist and is about to take your life.
What?
You need to run. You need to run as fast as you
But
can.
I can't run away. I can't. I can't. She's just there in front of the gate. How am I supposed to run? You know it's not possible.
Okay. It's fine. I know his plans. I overheard him. He's going to give you a drink.
A drink?
Yes.
Yes, he bought a drink.
You have to find a way to distract him. Switch the drinks.
I should switch it?
Yes.
Switch the drink.
Make him take it. Then find a way to leave this place immediately.
Alright.
Be wise.
Why did you leave?
Annabelle, be wise.
Alright, thank you so much. But can I at least hug you people, please?
No.
You cannot hug us. We are from the spirit realm. We are not humans. We have to go. I love you, my darling daughter.
I love you too.
Be safe, Annabelle.
I love you too, mommy. I love you. They disappeared. I miss you so much, Mom. I miss you so much, Daddy. I miss you so much. I need to go. I need to go.
Let me see how you survive this. I will take your life and everything will become mine. Yes. Come and take this drink. Enjoy.
Hi, baby.
Hey, my love. How are you?
Hi, babe.
How you doing, baby?
I'm fine.
Please, just manage, okay?
Okay.
Yes. I've been waiting for you. Where have you been?
I went to ease myself.
You went to ease yourself.
Yes.
Oh, that's okay, baby. I want you to.
Babe, do you like this?
What's that?
Do you like that thing over there?
Oh, is it a horse?
Yes, that horse.
Oh, okay. It's looking a little bit not fresh and
Alright.
malnourished.
I'll take your drink.
Okay, baby. So,
Cheers.
cheers to good life,
Good life.
to love,
Yes,
to
more
happiness.
money.
More money, my love. I want you to drink it so that you can glow. You can reach the
Okay.
heavens
Mm-hmm.
and be judged by God. No, I mean judged by the wishes of God.
Okay, alright.
I like this.
Very nice.
Yes, yes. Oh, nice.
Yeah, drink more.
It's nice in the park.
Yes.
So I'm going to take you to Abu Dhabi.
Okay.
I'll buy you everything you asked me to buy you.
Oh,
This is money.
that's very good of you.
I want you to have this money. This is
Really?
nothing. There's more where this came from.
Baby, drink more now. Drink more.
Of course, I will drink. Drink up, drink. You want me to just be drinking alone? Let's celebrate, my love.
Baby, you mean all this for me?
Everything.
Thank you so much. What would I have done without you?
My
Thank
baby.
you.
Yes, baby.
Oh my
The
God,
best
this
thing
is.
that's ever happened to me.
Oh,
I
you're
love you.
making me.
I love you more than life, my love.
Are you okay?
Yes, I'm fine. Just there's a tingling feeling in my stomach.
Alright. Butterflies in the belly. Are you okay?
I'm fine. I just
Alright.
yeah.
I guess one of us will join heaven very soon.
What?
Yes.
Why not feeling pains?
No, why? Why would I feel pains? Love? What did I do to you? Why would I feel pains?
I did nothing to you. I've always loved you. I've never done it.
Okay, so why are you reacting then? If you didn't do anything to me, why are you reacting? I exchanged the drink.
What?
Yes, I
You
did.
What?
I exchanged it. If you did not add any substance to my drink, then why are you reacting?
Why would you do this?
Why would I do what?
Why would you sweet?
So it's true. So you want to take my life?
Jesus Christ.
You want to take my life, Donald? What did I do to you?
It was meant for you.
It was meant for me. I thought you
Substance.
loved me.
Substance was meant for you. You're supposed to give me riches.
Oh, really?
I was supposed to be wealthy.
Oh, wow.
Your blood is supposed to give me
I have to
all the wealth
generate
that I need.
money for you. No problem.
Please take that drink.
Very soon,
Save the
you
drink.
will go and meet your ancestors in the grave. Leave me alone. Very heartless human being.
Please take me to the hospital.
You
Please.
can drink more of this.
No.
Drink more, drink more. Yes, drink more. You're a fool. There is no need of removing it from your mouth because you've drank it already. Nonsense. I am out of this
Take me
place.
to the hospital, please. Take me to the hospital. I have nothing.
Idiot.
Help me. Oh, Grandmaster.